Apple just released iOS 26, and this video is a follow-up video of the previous video I posted. I noticed some changes on this OS, and the first I noticed was within the Safari app. So I found out that Safari had a new update, and if you want to see the menus in the Safari app, you need to tap on this dots right here, and you're going to see this sheet right here, and then you'll be able to just tap to see your tabs right here, or in case you want to share your page to anyone, you can just do it right away over here. And also, if in case you want to go to a new tab and then you want to switch to private section or incognito, you just need to tap on this section right here, and then you're going to get your private tab right away over here. So this is one of the changes I actually noticed. And again, one thing I saw was within the App Store application, and you can see that we have our search section right here, and then we tap on this side, and then we are going to be able to search for anything we feel like we want in the App Store app. And again, we also have this new application right here called Preview. I just saw it after I updated this OS, and then you're going to see that it has some stuff you've saved on your iCloud or in your Files app. They actually will pop up here where you are going to be able to preview it, and then you can edit it right here. In case you want to do some editing, you can just do it right here in this application. I think it's not bad. Let me know in the comment section what you think in case you see it as one. And then you can choose to even scan documents right here with this application too, which is one of the nifty features I think this app has. And you tap on this section right here too, and then you can just get a new empty message or image right here where you can actually do your editing. You can do whatever you want to do right here, and that is pretty much very cool. So that is one of the changes I also found when I actually updated this OS. So another thing I also saw was within the camera app. When you go to video section, you can see that we have our 60 fps and then 4K right there. So you tap on that section in order to get your resolutions and your frame rates right away. So that is also one of the changes I noticed. And then the menus are right here where you're going to be able to see your flash and then exposure. You're going to do it right away over there too. So another thing I also found was the animations right here. You're going to see that the animations is different right away. You can see it's different than we used to have, and now it's a bit laggy at the moment. It's a bit laggy, but I'm sure Apple is actually going to do much improvement about this. And then also when we go to the battery, we've been using this for about 2 days, so I just want to show you guys how the battery is. So you can see, I think it's not bad, even though it's the first beta. I think this is one of the developer beta that I've used that is having a very cool battery. It's not that bad. It's okay, it can hold you up for a while. It's not that bad, but it's not the best because this phone is actually a new phone. It's an iPhone 16e and it has a very good battery. So with me having about average time of 13 hours on screen, I think it's very cool. I mean, it's very cool with this new operating system. I think it's very cool. But earlier I used to have the same. That's it. Let me just go to the side. You can see this is when we didn't have the OS. You can see I'm still having 13 hours. So it's definitely the same. You can see we have the same thing right here. We have the same thing right here. You can see it's absolutely the same. The battery drain is not that bad compared to the previous operating systems we've been having. And then also, in case you missed my previous video, I'm going to leave it in the description. You can check it out so that you'll be able to know the new changes Apple brought to us in 2025 for our iOS 2026. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, also share with your friends, and I'm going to catch you in the next one. Peace.